Are you wanting to start a clothing brand? We're surrounded by brands, but the thought of starting your own can be overwhelming. But when creating Yiffy, we had some key points in which we followed. What is your niche? Take some time to decide a niche. Ideally, find a niche that you are passionate about, as you will live and breathe it. Do you see a gap in the market for something? Jumpers for dogs, perhaps? Who are your customers? Choosing your target market will help not only your design stage, but also how you promote your clothing. We literally named our brand after the customers who we wanted to be part of it. So Yiffy, Y is for youth. Why your brand? Why would your potential customers choose your brand, say, over a well-known and established brand? Do you have a meaning or a message that your customers could relate to? Get creative. Whether you are a graphic designer or a fashion designer, get creative and start developing your brand. You could learn to produce yourself. We learned how to screen print in order to keep the stock and costs down. Don't give up. All of the brands you aspire to be have all started from humble beginnings. Stay focused and persistence will pay off. You will have dark days where you don't have any orders, but follow your heart and keep going. Keep putting one foot in front of the other. Do not give up.